everyone, this is Shreshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Amazon Work From Home Jobs 2023 hiring freshers as GoI Associate. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Amazon is an American multinational which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital marketing and artificial intelligence. Amazon has announced an off-campus hiring for work-from-home jobs in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having any degree from any batches having an experience of 0 to 2 years can apply for this post. The job location will be, the main office will be Bangalore, Delhi NCR, and it will be a work from home job, and the candidates can expect from 2.25 to 2.7 lakh salary per annum. Candidates should have graduation at any stream, should also have good knowledge of MS Office and also have good logical reasoning skills. Should have technology operations, night shifts and quality standards. Should have good knowledge of performance metrics. MS Office, MS Outlook will add as a must-have good skills. Should have non-engineering academic background and have good interpersonal and communication skills. Excellent listening and data accuracy skills. Demonstrate understanding of the internet and should be able to use or set up laptop. Have basic understanding of tools required in day-to-day work environment. Commitment to meet deadlines and ability to work with remote teams. So hurry up and fill a registration form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the leading e-commerce company. I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Shreshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.